All right, so we are back with the Slam Shady paddle tail, 1/8 ounce 3/0 owner twist lock hook. About to throw it in the mangroves. So I'll let that guy sit a second, start pulling him towards us slowly. With this just being an 1/8 ounce, it's gonna stay pretty close to the surface. It's not gonna sink a whole lot. That was a good cast right into the mangrove there. Nobody was home. Throw it out there, give it a second to sink, and then start reeling. Keep it low, keep your rod tip low to the water. Keep it slow enough to where it's just under the surface. Totally just spooked something there. Oh. Got attacked by something here at the boat. Got some activity through here. Yep, again.
I said mangrove crabs galore on these things.
Yeah, I've seen quite a few. Oh, I threw that right on top of something. That's the second time I've had something I threw right on top of it. On the big rod? Yep. That's the third time I spooked something right there.
That was a redfish.
Was it?
Yeah.
Daggone it, Gina. All right, guys, caught this guy off camera. Wasn't really filming because it started raining, as you can see. Well, you may not be able to see because of all the brightness, but it started raining. Just stopped filming. Wasn't worth it. Wasn't catching nothing. So, but we got this guy. Saw him tailing around there and threw a Slam Shady paddle tail at him, and he bit it. Let him go. Wow. It is just fired up out there. Really thankful to be underneath here right now. So there's a nice little snook. Wasn't filming on it, but this one, first one came on a Slam Shady paddle tail. This one came on a VuDu Shrimp. So let this guy go. Pull the light. See if we can do something like that again and actually catch it on film.
I've been casting up towards the shallow. I've got 4 sheepshead now in the box.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got 2 more keeper up there.
Yeah.
Throw a... Wow. Wow, that's a nice snapper.
That water went off and put some stuff in there.
Oh, I got something decent here.
Yep.
On the VuDu Shrimp. Oh, did you see it?
Oh, what?
I don't know. I think it's a red.
It looks like a red.
Yeah. It hit the VuDu Shrimp. So what I did, I actually cast it up into the pipe.
Yeah.
And it dropped out of the pipe and it grabbed it. That's a big guy.
All right.
I think that was a red. It had like that golden color. Yeah, it was too big for a snapper. So we had a ton of rain. and the spillway just dumping out a bunch of water and a bunch of other stuff. And so far we've been getting hit. Oh, another. A snook. Wow. Snook. It cut my line. It gilled it. These fish are eating with zero prejudice.
Going straight down the middle?
Huh?
Going straight down the middle?
Yeah. You see the size of that snook? Whoa. Let go of that. How'd that happen? This guy hit the crab immediately. Nice little snooky. The toadfish doesn't cast as far.
I know.
Oh man. Oh, it's still on. Oh, it's around that piling. That's not going to bode well. Oh, too late. I didn't make it. Oh, he's still on. What is going on? Snooky. Here, Snooky. We're having a snook session.
No, it doesn't matter what you put on right now.
Now they're gonna hit it. They are so fired up.